Hey guys! So today I got my new hidden hearing aids. I have them in now, but we also have these two bags that we got as well as the hearing aids because it has like all the stuff in it and everything. So I'm going to be like opening them and showing you guys what's in them so like you guys can see like what a person with hearing aid gets when they go to hidden hearing. Bag number 1. Okay, so the first thing you get is this Audicon box, and inside it you get this little bag. I think it's for the charger, I'm not sure. This is the inside of the box. Second thing I got was this black box that says Audicon on. And in these you just get a cord, and then you get like yang lights because they got me a speaker as well for school, so that's really good. So yeah, that's what's in that box. That's the first bag. On to the second bag. So here, I'm not going to show them, but we just have like papers, details, all of that. Next, we have the charger for my hearing aids. I'm going to show you guys like how it works in a sec, but this is the charger. Then you get another box. So much boxes. So first thing you get is this little bucket so that if you ever get stuck or anything, this is like a manual. This is what the box will look like. So first thing you get in the box is you get this little box and you get like a cloth and you get 2 cleaners to clean your hearing aids. Then we have the speaker that they got me. So then you have the accessories. Don't know the exact names, but bear with me. So this right here is my hearing aid, and basically what these are is these, like they're filters or something, and if wax gets on them, you like take off this little rubbery bit and you clean it. And then these are actually these little rubber bits. I think they're molds, and you also change these, depends on how much wax you get. Different for every person, by the way. So here's my charger. So on the Audicon hearing aids, you'll get a blue and you'll get a red like mold. Blue is left, red is right. So I have the left one. So this charges in the blue side. So this is how they charge. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. I love these hearing aids. You get 20 hours of use. Highly recommend.